Hello students. Today we are going to learn about noun case. Nouns may be used as the subject or the object of a verb in a sentence. It may also be used to show possession. That is, the case of a noun tells us the position of a noun in a sentence. Different types of noun cases are subjective or nominative case, objective case, dative case, and possessive case. Let's learn about subjective or nominative case. When a noun is the subject of a verb, it is called subjective case. For example, India won the match. Here, noun India is the subject of the verb won. So, in this sentence, the subjective case is India. Check this example. The pronoun he is the subject of the verb eats. So, here, subjective case is he. Okay, next is objective case. Do you remember about direct object? Identify direct object in this sentence. I bought a cycle for my brother. What did I buy? A cycle. Which is direct object. That means when a noun plays the role of a direct object of a verb in a sentence, it is said to be in the objective case. In this example, a cycle is objective case. If so, then tell me what is dative case? A noun or a pronoun plays the role of an indirect object in a sentence. It is said to be in the dative case. Check this example. I bought a computer for him. Answer me, for whom the subject buy a computer? Answer is for him, which is the indirect object. And that is called dative case. This indicates that indirect object is said to be dative case. Next, let's learn about possessive case. A noun or a pronoun that shows possession or ownership, it is said to be in the possessive case. See, an apostrophe s is used in the noun to show possession or ownership, and that noun is called possessive case. Check this example. The teacher of Alan and Alice. This can be written in the form of possessive form, that is, Alan and Alice teacher. See, with the help of an apostrophe, we can change the subject into possessive case. I hope you understood all about noun case and its types. Thank you.